Hello everybody, welcome to Chemistry Concept, and today we'll be discussing about the concentration of ores. So as we know, the extraction and isolation of metal from ores involves some steps, and this concentration of ore is the first step. So what is this concentration of ore? What is this? So it is the removal of unwanted egg, or you can say impurity, like you can say sand, clay, etc., from ore is known as the concentration. So this is the concentration, and there are several methods to remove this unwanted egg, or you can say the impurity from ore. So the first method we will be discussing, that is the hydraulic washing. So in this method, it is the based on the difference in the gravity of the ores. Suppose we have a mixture of two or more moles, so that each and every compound will be having different gravity, and based on this gravity we'll use this for this separation. So what will happen? The ore and the ores and the or impurity particles, egg particles, or one can say it as gravity separation. Because here the gravity is playing a major role in the separation of this O. Because of this gravity only, suppose one having less gravity, another having more gravity, based on this gravity we will use to separate this by water. So this is the hydraulic washing. So next step is the magnetic separation. So this is the magnetic separation, and this is the based on the magnetic properties of an ore in composition. Suppose we are we having a O with different composition, so in that ore there will be particles will be having a non-magnetic, and will be particles having some magnetic properties. So this is a magnetic rotor, and this is a this is magnetic, you can say magnetic roller. So when you are going to put finally grounded O from here, so what will happen? The more magnetic the more magnetic particles, or that you can say the pure O, that will be collected here in this, and non-magnetic particles will be collected here. So this is the magnetic separation method. And next method is the flotation process. So in this froth method, what is going to happen? We used to remove the gangue from this. Generally it is used for sulfide ore. Used for sulfide ores. So in this method, what we used to do, we used to take the suspension of powdered ore, we take in the water, and to it we add some froth stabilizers and collectors like fine oil, fatty acid. So in we add collectors to have non-wettability of the minerals, and we know this we used oil. So what do oil do? So oil mix with these minerals and make this froth here, and this water will be there. That water will be mixed with that gurg, and that will be collected in this form, liquid form. So this minerals will be in the form of froth, and this is the paddle. When you are going to rotate this paddle, what will happen? You will, and when air will be coming from this side, so this will generate froth here. So froth will be on up. So what we used to do, we used to collect this froth and dry it, and after drying, what will happen? After drying, we'll get this O in the form of dried particles. So this, suppose this is a one air bubble, so is this air bubble will be containing this minerals like this. That minerals will be on this surface. So this is the flotation method. Next method is leaching. So what is this leaching? This is the extraction of minerals from solid, or you can say O here, by dissolving them in a proper liquid. Suppose we, for example, we are going to take this Al2O3. This is in the solid form, and this is the O in the form of O, that is, you can say, bauxite, and you are going to add this aqueous base, sodium hydroxide, in presence of water. You will get Na. This will be a complex like this. This is the in aqueous media. So when you are going to pass carbon dioxide gas from this, what will happen? We will get Al2O3 and NH2O, that will be in solid form, and also we will get this NaHCO3, that will be in aqueous form. This is the sodium bicarbonate. So when you are going to heat this solid mixture at high temperature, nearly about 1417 Kelvin, so what will happen? You will get Al2O3, that will be in pure form, and you will get n number of H2O molecule in the form of gas, that will be in vapors. So by this method, leaching method, also you can get the mineral, this aluminum ore. So this is the leaching method. So if you having any problem, any doubts, you can put in comment box. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe our videos. Thank you.